If you are looking for an awesome adjustable shoe rack that looks nice, is easy to put together, you're going to absolutely want to check this out. This is the Pipishell shoe rack. The brand sent me this to do this review, and I absolutely love this thing. Super easy to put together. This is what it looks like. The dimensions on it are 10 by 29.5 by 37. Really like that you have this wooden top here. These shelves are adjustable, so I have them straight. You can also put them on an angle. We have them right next to the door, so we come in, put our shoes there. This thing is super sturdy. This is kind of what it looks like from this side. Really just like the black, and also the wood finish is just a really nice touch. Everything you need to put this together comes in the packet. Instructions are really good. Took me maybe 15-20 minutes to put together. Just a really solid shoe rack, sturdy, easy to put together. If you're in the market for a great shoe rack, I really like this one a lot.